like me and have a hard time keeping your ceramic cook stove clean, one of the products we use is Cerama Bryte. You can tell we just had Thanksgiving, and so we cooked for everyone, and it's a disaster. First, you take it and you wipe down the countertop or your cook stove and get off any loose particles that might be there. I just take a wet rag with a little dish soap and wipe it down. And then you take a little of the Cerama Bryte cooktop. We've tried different products, and so far this is the one that works the best. You're gonna have to tell me. Just drizzle a little on. So we ended up getting the kit because this guy got so stained and was not from burned on oil, not oil, but burned on water marks, which is very difficult to get off. If you notice that the brown staining around your cooktop, it's not irreversible. You can actually get it clean. In the kit, it comes with this nice little, it's like a scrubbing pad and a little wand that holds it on, so then you can actually put force behind it without getting your hands all in the cleaning fluid. And you can wipe this down and see what all comes off with it first. So like that mark just came off. And I'm not putting a whole lot of force behind it. It might sound like it, but it's just a gentle force. And seeing what I can get off with scrubbing. You can tell on that it's kind of dirty looking. Let's see what else comes off. And you know it's clean when actually the cleaning solution disappears, which I may put a little too much on compared to what I normally do. Let's see. Sometimes you just gotta rotate that around too. Okay. So after you get that all rubbed in, you'll be left with what would not come off. And like, I don't know if you can tell that there's dirt right, that's caked on right here. And for those hard spots, a lot of people don't realize that they can come off. So something I learned from a cleaning company was to use a razor. And this actually comes in a kit that Cerama Bryte sells. It comes with both the pad and the wand and the eraser. So then you just take it and gently, not even at a 45-degree angle, it's about, just barely lift it enough, and you can see the dirt just slightly coming off. You don't want to gouge your glass because then you'll have scratch marks and harder for the to keep it clean, because the dirt will get into those scratches. And you just go around and you wipe it down so you can hear it. Just wipe it with a rag. Let's see if we can get that area a little bit better. Okay, so after you're done scraping, go ahead and wipe it down with your wet cloth and see if there's any spots you may have missed. And then one last time, take just a little bit for another good clean and go over everything. And you can see that there's no more gunk like there was right there. And you can get replacement pads easily to fit in here. And usually what I do is I cut them down to help give me, prolong it instead of just wasting a whole pad. And I can wash it and reuse it a couple of times.